Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to program your Mercedes garage door opener. Very important that you know how to do this, especially if you're going to sell the car, trade it in, or lend it out. I know some guys, they rent their Mercedes out using various apps, and you don't want your garage door opener codes in the vehicle. So I'm going to show you how to clear that, also how to program it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Put your key in the ignition, put it position 2. So if you have programmed the garage door opener to your Mercedes-Benz for step 1, you can skip this. Otherwise, you're going to start off by pressing the 2 buttons on the bottom, the 2 outer buttons right here on the bottom of the rearview mirror. Hold the buttons pressed for at least 20 seconds, and what this will do, it will clear the previously stored or programmed garage door opener code from the memory of your Mercedes-Benz. You should see a small LED light next to the buttons right here light up, and I'm not going to actually do mine, I don't want to clear my codes, but you'll see that LED light next to the buttons turn on. On some older Mercedes-Benz cars, the garage door opener is actually on the sun visor, and the procedures will be similar. Step 2, you will release the buttons, and once you've released the buttons, you will hold and pressed. You're going to decide which one of these buttons you're going to use as the button that you want to program. And for example, if you're going to program this button, you will choose this button. So you decide your button that you would like to use to open up a particular garage door, and you're going to press the button until you see the small LED light turn yellow. And once again, I'm not going to actually do it because I don't want to reprogram my code. So you're going to hold that button down until it turns yellow, release the button on the rearview mirror, and the light should start to flash. In step 3, you're going to press the button on your garage door opener and continue to hold it to make sure that the garage button actually communicates to the rearview mirror console. You hold it within a few inches and you hold the button down. Once the programming is complete, the light will turn green and stay on constantly on your rearview mirror. If your garage door uses rolling codes, the light will flash. If you have a rolling code garage door system, you will need to continue with the programming steps, which are going inside of your garage to the garage door opener, and on the back you will find a button that says one of the following. It probably will say synchronize, program, train, or learn. You will need to press this button and hold it. Usually next to this button is a light that will light up and stay on once it's in learn mode. Once it's in learn mode, you will then come back to the Mercedes and hold down the button that was used initially to start the programming procedure, and that button should then light up and be green. Green means that your programming was successful. Red means that the synchronization between the garage door opener and the Mercedes remote failed, and you will have to repeat this procedure again. This may fail a couple times for several reasons. If you're not within range of your garage door opener, try moving the Mercedes closer to your garage, or you may have not held down the programming buttons long enough. Most importantly, if you're trading in your Mercedes, selling it, donating it, lending it out to friends, and or using any of the apps where you can rent your Mercedes-Benz, make sure you hold these 2 buttons down for 20 seconds until it lights up to ensure that your codes have been cleared. You don't want to have other people having access to your garage. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. Thanks and peace out.